Meaning of full-fledged.
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 Full-fledged. The term full-fledged is typically used to describe something or someone that has reached a complete level of maturity or development, usually after going through a process of growth or training. For example, a bird can be considered full-fledged once it has developed the necessary feathers and skills to fly. Similarly, a person can be considered full-fledged in a particular profession after completing a certain level of education or training and acquiring the necessary skills and experience. In summary, the term full-fledged implies a state of completeness or full realization of potential.